Is herpes simplex more vulnerable? Is there any cure to eradicate the herpes? There is a cure for herpes. But there are just some temporary remedy that people prefer because they are just not familiar with this disease and how easily it can be downplayed from the body, if not permanently cured. Home remedies. Several home remedies can help, including taking painkillers, such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen. Bathing in lightly salted water helps relieve symptoms. Soaking in a warm sitz bath, avoiding tight clothing around the affected area. Washing hands thoroughly, especially after touching the affected area. Refraining from sexual activity until symptoms have gone. Some people find that using ice packs can help. Never apply ice directly to the skin, always wrap it in a cloth or towel first. Medication. People with cold sores should seek medical care if the sores do not improve within a few weeks, if symptoms are severe, or if sores continue to weep. Complications from HSV-1 are rare but possible. People with weakened immune systems should seek medical advice, as should those with frequent outbreaks. Complications can arise when the virus spreads to other parts of the body. For example, the virus can spread to the fingertips, as with herpes whitlow, or eyes as with herpes keratitis. Commonly prescribed treatments for cold sores include antiviral tablets and creams. According to the British National Health Service (NHS), creams are usually only effective if applied when the sores first appear. Prescribed cold sore medications include acyclovir Xeres, Zovirax, valacyclovir Valtrix, famciclovir Famvir, penciclovir Danadir,